Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial 15. In this tutorial I'll be covering string replacement. Now string replacement is a new feature from version 8, and before I get into it I'll just do a quick recap on wildcards. So wildcards can be used for a number of features. In this example, I'm just going to use it for renaming. Now, there's the two wildcards, the asterisk wildcard, which represents multiple characters, and the question mark wildcard, which indicates a single character. And these work the same way as the old DOS wildcards, if you're familiar with those. So for this example, I just want to change the extension of these files from JPEG to just JPG, like so. And there we go. The extensions have been changed. Now with string replacement, I can do the same thing using the new string replacement operator, which is the greater than sign. And what this does is it replaces all the matching strings on the left hand side of the greater than sign with the string on the right hand side. So in the previous example of changing the extension, I could use that pattern to do the same thing. So, and there we go, we've changed the extension. And the next example, I've got a couple of files which I've downloaded, and these have the %20 URL encoding, and I find it hard to read, so I can use the string replacement to just replace %20s what they really should be, which is a space, like so, and that makes them a lot easier to read. And the next example, I've got a bunch of images, and I've decided I don't want to have image, I'd prefer to have them called pictures. So again, with the string replacement, I'll just search for image, and I'll just change it with picture. And there we go. And say now that I look at it, I don't really want picture either. I just want just the numbers, for example, and I can just use the string replacement operator to take it away. So those are some basic examples of the string replacement, and string replacement works everywhere where the wildcards were available, so you can use them for the copy and move operations as well as the renames. And that's it, string replacement.